Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Freelorn garbage bin box. It's a 2-pack, or you can get one, you can get three, or you can make a pack of 4 of it, or you can do it as you need it because it's modular. Here it comes with a galvanized steel garbage can trim, weatherproof garbage box with a gas pressure springs, and the wall separation stickers, anthracite. And it will be delivered into 2 boxes. So you get 2 boxes which you are going to install and have fun with that. This garage can boxes are intergently modular. The base is the 2-unit box A in carton B. A box of 4 therefore consists of the 2 complete sets of 2 carton A and 2 carton Bs of it. And our advantage, of course, we can mount the boxes as long unit or set them up flexible, separated in our garden, for example, for maximum stability. And of course, comes with a reinforced packaging in 2026. They listen to us customers because the new 2026 upgraded versions come with extremely reinforced security packaging for damage-free transport. Due to the size and the weight, it's shipped separate packages, of course. We do not start the assembly until we have received both of them. An extremely stable steel frame guarantees on longevity even in extreme weather conditions. The galvanized surface with a scratch-resistant powder coating reliably protects against rust and, of course, against corrosion. That's either for permanent use in a front garden, in the wind and weather environments too. And we have high quality gas springs. Because it is equipped with a powerful hydraulic gas springs, the lid opens gently, and it is almost by itself stay there. Thanks to the intelligent chain connection, the box and the barrel lids open simultaneously with just one movement for a clean and hygienic waste disposal. And the garbage stickers are included. The trash can, it's not only offers a huge storage space of 240 tons, but also comes with a free set of waste separated labels, so we can clearly mark each bin for perfect waste separation and an organized home as well. With this here, we find the furniture that suits our best. And of course, we have a large capacity bin box with 240-liter capacity. The maximum space used for the garbage can of all sizes. That's ideal for up to 2 standard bins. And we have a powdered coating, weatherproof, shielding a noble anthracite. Special coating protects against rust, UV radiations, and extreme temperatures. And safe twist handle technology with a handrail. The installation of the handrails allows for the effortless opening and close with a maximum theft protection, and softly closing the lid with a gas damping. Thanks to integrated gas springs, the lid closes smoothly and in a controlled maneuver. This significantly minimizes the closed nose and reduces the disturbing nose too, for example during the wind. And it is possible with 105 pounds of weight, 45.6 inches up, 24.4 each box, and the completed set of 2 boxes is 51.9 inches. If you go to 3 of them, 77.85 inches, and if you go all in with 4 boxes, 103.8 inches. The capacity can be upgraded from 60 liter to 120 to up to 240 liter bins. That's all space for your garbage. Yeah, bins. This here is the Freelorn garbage bin box. In my case, it is a set or a pack of 2 galvanized steel garbage can trim, weatherproof garbage boxes with the gas pressure springs, and the waste separation stickers in anthracite. Thanks for watching. The installation will be shown in an additional video for you. And I say again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!